Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, we are back reviewing another photographic or video gear. In this case, it's professional camcorder from Sony, and it's a HXR-NX100. In this video, I will focus on the LCD screen and the viewfinder on this camcorder. Sometimes it's hard to find the information about these online or on YouTube, so let's go and do that. And I will start with this foldable LCD screen. So this is the way you open it, and let's basically show the range of rotation. What is really important, you can rotate it all the way here so you can see from the front what is happening in that monitor, which is really important, right? This is the rotation and it goes all the way down. So now this screen, in my opinion, it's a high quality 3.5 inch, but most importantly, and that's a big down, this screen is non-touch. So unfortunately what it means, everything has to be done, any changes, everything has to be done using these buttons, and that is extremely annoying. I came from the Canon X-A10, which had a high quality 3.5 inch touchscreen, to go through the menus or to erase the last shot, right, last video which I made, and I wasn't happy. It took just seconds. This is actually so far for me a nightmare. On the other hand, the brightness and the quality of the picture which you see on this screen, I will say, is excellent. Another annoying problem with this camcorder, there's no way to view a picture on the viewfinder and LCD screen simultaneously. There's no setting, there's no way ever in any setting to do that. I have to flip all the way back this LCD screen, right? For me, that viewfinder will go on, excuse me, and I will be able to start using that. And maybe it doesn't matter, because this viewfinder, it's probably the worst I ever saw too. It has that optical adjustment right here, the dioptrical adjustment, but there's no way I will ever use this viewfinder. I tried it and it's just so terrible that it's not going to happen, and I will keep working only with this LCD screen, which is on contrary excellent high resolution picture. You can adjust the brightness in the daylight, so it's really good. And that's all for this video. Make sure you are subscribed, because I will make a lot of video about this camcorder. I will explain the advantages and also the things which I don't like about it. So thank you for watching today, and have a wonderful day, my friend.